Hello students, welcome to GetintoIAS. In the last videos, we have learned some of the problems on percentages and also we learned so many tricks in that. In this session, we are going to deal with percentage error, successive increase and decrease, which is a ratio based question. The last one is percentage required nullifying a percentage rise. The third one is the very most important subtopic of percentages. Let's solve the first problem on percentage error. In this, the questions type given in this will become two numbers will be given. One will be the correct number and another will be the wrong number. You need to find the percentage error. In case if I am asking you what is the error means, simply you can say a number 800 is wrongly read as 600. So 800 and 600, the difference is 200. That is called the error. But in this question, find the percentage error. In terms of percentage, you need to tell the answer. That is how. Let us see. Solution. Always error is equal to correct number minus wrong number. This is one of the formula. The next one is percentage error. Percentage error is equal to always error by correct number into 100. Simply if you apply this formula, you can arrive at the answer. So in this question, the error which is 800 minus 600 which is equal to 200. The percentage error is equal to error by correct number into 100. Which is the error here? 200 I have taken from these two. Which is the correct number? A number 800 is wrongly read as. After wrongly, which number is given? That is the wrong number. Previous to that is the correct number. So here correct number is 800 and the error is 200 into 100. If you solve this, you can simply arrive at the answer. This is 1 time 2. This is 4 time. Here this is going to be 25. So finally my answer is 25% is the percentage error in this. The next problem on percentage error is given here. A student multiply a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. What is the percentage error in this calculation? In the previous sum, we have dealt with integer percentage value. Here it is given fraction value. How to deal with these kinds of sum, that we are going to learn now. Which is the correct number here, wrong number here? First you need to find. A student multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of. Instead of is the keyword here. Near instead of what number is given? That number is to be considered as the correct number. So correct number is 5 by 3 here. Which is the wrong number? Wrong number is 3 by 5. You can make a note of it. C n denotes correct number, W n denotes wrong number. Okay, now we need to find the error. Being the fraction, it is little complicated than the integer to subtract, add, whatever it is. For this, what we are going to do is, simply you can convert this fraction number into integer. How? Simply by taking LCM of the denominators. Both the values are having denominators, right? The denominator of the first number is 3, second number is 5. Take the LCM of 3 and 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15 because both of the numbers are prime numbers. So LCM is 15. LCM of any prime number will become the product of them. Keep this in mind and say 15 is the value for LCM. Okay, now what we want to do, step 2, this is step 1, right? In step 2, you can multiply with LCM. Now, multiplying these two fraction values with 15. Why we are doing this? In order to get integer value. That's all. So, into 15 here. into 15 here. Now you can cancel the denominator. 3 is presented 5 times in this, 5 is presented 3 times in this. Now 5 into 5, 25, that is the correct number. 3 into 3, 9, which is the wrong number. So 25 and 9, what is the error and error percentage? We are going to find it now. Step 3, correct number is 25 and wrong number is 9. This is what we get from these fractional values. Now we need to find the error and error percentage, vice versa. Error is equal to correct number minus wrong number. So 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. The next one, percentage error or error percentage, we can say that error by correct number into 100. What is the error here? That is 16. What is the correct number? That is 25 into 100. Simply cancel and you can get the values. So 25 4 times 64 percentage, and that is the value. So my option is option C, correct answer. The next question of the previous type, a student multiply a number by 2 by 5 instead of 5 by 2. What is the percentage error in the calculation? Option A 82%, option B 86%, option C 84% and option D 89%. Here can you say which is the correct number? Yes, instead of, which is the number near instead of, after instead of, that is the correct number always. Which is the wrong number? Wrong number is 2 by 5. Again, the method over here is to make an integer, you need to take their LCM and simply multiply with that. What is the LCM of both the denominators? Here 2 is the denominator and 5. LCM of 2 and 5, which is equal to 10. Again, both the values are prime numbers, simply their product is the LCM. So LCM is 10. Simply I am multiplying them with 10. Now what is the answer? 2 cancelled by 10 5 times, 5 cancelled with 10 twice. So 5 into 5, 25 and 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Here the correct number is 25 and the wrong number is 4. What is the error over here? Error is the difference between these two values. So 25 minus 4 is 21. What is the percentage error? Percentage error is equal to error, that is 21 by correct number. Correct number is 25 into 100. Now simply you can cancel it and get the answer. 25 4 times, 21 into 4, 84%. I got the answer. My final answer is option C, 84%. The next sum, successive increase, which is given in ratio based one step. Within one step you can find the answer. That's what we are going to see now. The sample question over here is, Mallika is working in a concern for 3 years, 2010, 11 and 12. In the second year, her salary increased at 33 1/3% and 25% for the third year. Find the ratio of her salary for the years 2010, 11 and 12. Your options are given in the form of ratio. Option A 3:4:7, option B 2:4:5, option C 3:4:5 and option D 8:7:2. Now you need to find these things. The clue over here is one step answer. So Mallika is working in a concern for 3 years. So 3 years she would have get 3 different salaries, right? For that we need to make 3 different columns. That is the first step. After that you need to write the years, namely 2010, 11 and 12. First year salary which is not given in terms of value. But in the second year her salary increased at 33 1/3%. 33 1/3%. Then the next one and 25% on the next year. For the third year, that is 25% it is to be increased and she got the increased salary on the third year. Without knowing the salary, can you find? Yes. Usually you will be taking 100 here and you will be taking 20%, 50%, like that value will be given. Easily you will be adopting the answer. But in this case, you want to note this percentage which is given in the form of mixed fraction. 33 1/3% which is given in the form of mixed fraction. So don't always take 100 as your value of assumption. Don't take 100 as the value of assumption. Now, what is the value to be taken over here is simply you can use the technique of converting this percentage into fraction. What is the equivalent fraction of 33 1/3%, which is nothing, 1/3. For these kinds of techniques and tricks, you can follow our previous videos. In that we have discussed a lot about the percentage to fraction conversion. So 33 1/3% is equal to 1/3. What is 25%? 25% will be equal to 1/4. Here we have converted into fraction, right? So here also we need to do the same process. Now, instead of the percentage value, simply I am writing the equivalent fraction value for that. Here I am writing 1/3, that is her salary, whatever it is 1/3 times increased. So that value is to be written in this box. The next 25% equivalent fraction is 1/4. So instead of writing 25%, you can write 1/4. This is also increased. So whatever the value you put in this box, it is to be taken 1/4 increase and add up with that and to be returned in the final salary section. The first thing, what is the value to be taken over here? 100 should not be taken. Why? Because it would not cancel this 3 and 4 over here. So what is to be taken? The technique over here is take both the denominators and take their product. What is the denominator presented here? 3. What is the denominator presented here? 4. Take their product and simply write down that. Why we are doing this? In order to cancel them, this number should be the multiple of both. That's all. That is the idea over here. Not only 12. You can take here 12, 24, 36, like that. Any multiple of 12 can be taken, but 12 is the prime. Okay, 12. What is the 1/3 of 12? 12 into 1/3, you can do like this, or you can use mind calculation method. That is 1/3 of 12 is 4. Simply you can add 4 with this 12. So this 12 plus 4 you can add up and write down in the second salary column, that is 16, right? 16, again 1/4. What is the 1/4 of 16? That is rupees 4. So plus 4. So 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So this is the latest salary. This is the salary for the second year. This is the salary for the first year. These salaries are not in the values. They are in the term of units. That's all. Now the question is asking only ratio. Simply take the ratio of these three values and you can find the answer. Now let's write down salary for the first year, second year and third year. First year 12 units, second year 16 units, third year 20 units. Simply you can cancel. Now you can take 4 table over here. 3 times 4, 4 times 4 and 5 times 4. Hereafter we will not able to simplify again. So 3:4:5 being the final answer. So option C is the correct answer. The next subtopic is percentage required nullifying a percent rise. This is the very important concept covering in most of the cases a rent is increased by a certain amount. How much you want to be decreased to nullify the percentage increase, like that. Also in case of so many rectangle sums, find the area of the rectangle. If the length is increases and the breadth should be decreased in order to keep the area same, like that. So many topics are covered under this subtopic percentage required nullifying a percentage rise. Under this subtopic, 2 types of sums are expected. The first type is if there is percentage increase, then the effect of its change can be nullified by 100x divided by 100 plus x percentage always. This is the standard formula when there is percentage increase. The second type is if there is a percentage decrease, sometimes they will be giving the decrease and they will be expecting you to find the increasing percentage to nullify the decreased one. In such a case, the effect of its change can be nullified by 100x by 100 minus x percentage, that's all. You need to remember these two formulas to nullify any increase or decrease, right? The first example of person nullifying, rent of a shop has been decreased by 10%. So by how much percent the rent should be increased to make the original rental amount? 4 options are given. So here definitely you can apply the formula for percentage nullifying. Here it is given decreased value of 10%. For decreasing you can use 100x divided by 100 minus x. If you get this, simply you will be finding the value for that. This is in terms of percentage. That is to be noted down. So here it is given 10%. 10% is decreasing. So 100 into 10, the whole divided by 100 minus 10. So finally my answer is 1000 divided by 90. 0, 0 cancel. 100 divided by 9, or you can take this as 1 by 9 into 100. Already in the previous videos we have learned the trick for that. What is 1 by 9 actually? 1 by 9 is equal to 11 1 by 9%, right? Can you recall it? So 1 by 9 is equal to 11 1 by 9%. This is the equivalent percentage value for this. So simply can you answer for this or not? Yes. Option B, 11 1 by 9% is the answer. The next sum, salary of Ram has been increased by 16 2 by 3%. By how much percent his salary should be decreased to make his original salary? Here the value of the fraction is given in the form of mixed fraction. How to deal with this? Simple. You can take the same formula. Increase is given. Increased by 16 2 by 3%. What is the percentage nullify formula for this? 100x by 100 plus x percentage. Here what is x? 16 2 by 3. First you can convert this into improper fraction. 16 into 3, 48. 48 plus 2, 50. That is the numerator. What is the denominator? 3. That want to be written over here. 50 by 3%. That is the improper fraction value. Instead of x, now you can substitute 50 by 3. So I am writing 100 into x, right? So 100 into 50 by 3. In the denominator 100 plus x. So 100 plus 50 by 3. Now you can solve this, which is equal to 5000 by 3 divided by, here I am adding up. So 3 into 100, 300 plus 50, 350 by 3. Now you can take the value and convert it into percent. The next one, you can cancel both the denominators. Finally you are having 5000 by 350. This is the percentage value. 0, 0 cancel. Again I am cancelling this with 5 table. 7 times 5 is 35. 100 times 5 is 500. So 100 by 7, what is the value which is to be taken as percentage? Or you can take this as 1 by 7 into 100. Then it will become easy to you. If you remember the value for 1 by 7, you can simply say which is 14 2 by 7 percentage. So my final answer is option C, 14 2 by 7%. That's all. In the previous video, just we have learned the equivalent fraction value for given any percentage value. But in most of the competitive examinations, the options are given in 3 ways. One is percentage based values, second one is fraction based values, third one is decimal based values. But we have learned the percentage to decimal conversion and decimal to percentage conversion. In this, just we are going to learn some of the decimal values equivalent to the fraction. Let's see how. First one, 1 is equal to 100%, which is an integer. It's okay. 1 by 2 is 50%. That is also in terms of integer percent. Okay. What about 1 by 3? 33, 1 by 3. This is in terms of mixed fraction. We need to focus over here. Fourth one, 1 by 4, 25%. Okay. 1 by 5, 20%. Okay. What about 1 by 6? Here 16, 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is given. In 1 by 7, 2 by 7, which is presented. For 1 by 8, 1 by 2 is presented. For 1 by 9, 1 by 9 is presented. 10, it is an integer value. No need to worry about it. Leave it. 1 by 11, 1 by 11% is given. 1 by 12, 1 by 3 is presented. 1 by 13, 9 by 13 is presented. 1 by 14, 1 by 7 is presented. At last, for 1 by 15, 2 by 3 is presented. Say for example, if you have found one value in terms of 2 by 3, but in the option, the equivalent value for this is 0.66 recurring. If it is given like this, will you be able to find it unless you know which is the decimal value for any fraction, right? So we need to learn this, but it is not possible to learn all the fraction equivalent decimal values, but reading some of the values will help you in saving time, right? Good luck.